Welcome to our channel once again, my friends. If it's your first time here, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll get updates whenever we post new videos. Thank you for being here. Today we're going to be doing another authentic Guyanese dish, and that's no other than Bigan and Eddo curry. So this is as authentic as it gets for Guyanese food, guys. And this is so simple. I mean, you always have Bigan or Balanji in the market. You can even plant these yourself in your backyard. And as we all know, eddoes grows all over the place, so you can go pull this from your backyard as well. So for this recipe, we're gonna be cooking today two Bigan, and we're gonna be using 4 eddoes, small eddoes as you can see, half an onion, some garlic, pepper, scallions, and the usual stuff for our curry powder. We're gonna be using some curry powder, roasted ground geera, and garam masala. So those are the ingredients, and as I said, guys, this goes very well with roti, oil roti especially. Even sada roti can have this with, as well as rice. So it's a dish you can have in so many ways. So let's get started with this Bigan and Eddo curry, guys. So we're gonna move everything aside here, guys, and we're gonna firstly get our Bigan ready, balanchi, eggplant. Okay, so we have cut up all our 2 Bigans, as you can see. So we're gonna put this aside. So here are our 4 eddoes. So they say eddo is good for the blood, right? That's why they add this to most soups. And not only that, but it tastes so good as well. Anyway, you cook them, fried, curried. We just split the eddos into each. So here they are. So we're gonna get everything ready, and then we're gonna start cooking. So our scallions as well we're cutting up. So as usual, we're gonna pound our garlic in our mortar along with our pepper. If you're using any pepper, pepper is always optional, as you know, in our recipes. So Guyanese people like the little pepper, you know, and everything. But you don't have to use the pepper if you don't want to. Now that's it, this is ready. So now we're gonna mix our curry paste. And there we have our 3 ingredients: curry powder, roasted ground geera, and garam masala. Now we're gonna add the stuff we've grounded, the garlic and the pepper. So if you're gonna do it like this, just remember not to touch your eyes before you wash your hands, okay? And that's not hard to do, touch your eyes and, you know, not really realizing. If you check how much time someone touches their face In the course of a day, you'll be surprised. So our curry paste is ready, guys. So we're gonna wash our Bigan and Eddo together. So you're adding some oil to our karahi. Alright, so our oil is hot. So we're gonna add our onions first. We're gonna let our onions fry a little bit. And as I always say, this is a personal preference for us. You can add this with your curry paste and fry them all together. So now that our onions have fried a bit, we're gonna add our curry paste. And as usual, you want this to cook for about 2 minutes. So this you want to turn constantly to prevent burning. So our 2 minutes is up, guys. So we're gonna add our eggplant, bigan, belanger. And that's smelling good already, guys. So as usual, you want to mix everything well. Make sure your belanger is coated, eddoes as well. So we're not going to add our scallions now, we're going to add them a bit later. So this now we're going to cover it. And see you in a bit. So let's give a check now, guys. Give it a mix. It's looking good already, isn't it? So we're going to cover it back again. See you in a bit. Alright my friends, so our Bigan and Eddo should have finished bunjing now, dry down. And there you go. Looking good. Feel to eat that already, guys. Look at those eddoes. But they haven't boiled as yet. So we gotta add some water now. We can add our scallions. And then we gotta add some water to boil our. So that's good enough. So we're gonna cover this back now and let it cook. So we're gonna check on our Bigan and eddoes again, guys. So that's looking good, looking good. Our eddo is boiled there, as you can see. So we're just gonna wait until this water evaporates a bit more, and that'll be it. Alright guys, so that's it. This is done with this amount of liquid here, as you know. You're gonna add 2 peppers there for who needs that. Give it a good mix because we added some salt as well. And that's it. That's our Bigan and Eddo curry. I'm pretty sure you guys remembering the taste right now with some roti or some rice. So that's it for our belanger and Eddo curry, guys. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please click on the bell icon so you get notifications whenever we post new videos. You won't miss any of them. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.